Fifth grade, Science Standard and Performance Expectations. 5-ESS2-1, develop a model using an example to describe ways the geosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and our atmosphere interact. 5-ESS2 TAC 2, describe and graph the amounts of salt water and fresh water in various reservoirs to provide evidence about the distribution of water on Earth. In the first example, there's a model of the different spheres, the 4 different spheres of the Earth. And the second example, it says, where is Earth's water? As we can see, total global water, fresh water is to the right. And the next is our surface water and other fresh water. As we can see in this right here, the total distribution of global water, fresh water only makes so much of it. So that's our an example of amount of, it's a graph of the amount of salt water and fresh water in various reservoirs.